Okay, and now we are going to add the authorization for resending an invitation. Now, who can resend an invitation? I would say either an admin or a user that actually invited another user. So, for example, this user would be able to resend the invitation to this user. Now you see, in this case, we don't have an invited by right here. Well, because we created this particular user via our console. So that's why there is no invited by. Okay, so let's add this authorization. Let's go to our users controller. And here we will actually have to add a new before action. It would be before action require admin or inviter. And will be only for resend invitation. And let's create this method. Def require admin or inviter. And here we will say either admin or user dot invited by equals current user. Now let's check if this would work. So here we're saying either the admin or the inviter. So the user dot invited by equals the current user. Let's see if it works in our views, first of all. Let's, okay, I'll start the server now. And let's have a look at our users. Let's try to resend an invitation. Well, it works because our current user is an admin. What if I try to sign out and log in as a user that is not an admin? I go to users, try to resend an invitation. Okay, I get this undefined local variable or method user. Yeah, it should be @user. Okay, let's see. Undefined method invited by for nil class. So we didn't manage to get this @user. Let's go back and see what the problem can be. So invited by for nil class. Well, it looks like we don't have this user defined. So we are using this before action, before actually going into our method to resend invitation. So we don't have this @user. So I'm going to have to add @user to this require admin or inviter, like this. And let's see. So I'm trying to invite, I cannot. I'm trying to invite another user, I cannot. I will log in as the user that actually invited these users. Now I'm signing out, log in. Okay, I can't log in. I'll try to press forgot your password. I will reset my password. Now I'm going to users. I'll try to resend the invitation here. It was resent. I'll try to resend an invitation here, and I'm not authorized. So it works correctly. The authorization validation works correctly. And now we're just going to make the links visible only to the users that can actually perform this action. So again, we're going to our index view, and we're going to add this kind of validation in the index view. So we're going to have 2 layers of validation to show this link. The first layer is going to be unless current user admin or user invited by equals current user. And second layer of validation is what we added previously. Now I refresh and something's wrong. So I see resend invitation only to the user to which I shouldn't be able to resend the invitation. So it should be not unless, but if. Yeah, that's my mistake. Okay, now I'll try to resend invitation and it's working. Now I'll try to log in as an admin once again. So login out, then login in, GitHub, users, and here I see this link to resend the confirmation instructions, all of them because I'm an admin. So I'll just move these links into the actions, right here, separately from if current user is admin, because here there is an additional second validation. And that's it. We've added the custom validation for inviting, for resending an invitation. For all the other actions, we have require admin, and here we have require either admin or inviter. And importantly, we had to add the user equals user find by params ID in this require admin or inviter, because the before action is called before we start this method. So that's it, and thank you.